All right, practice problem 4. Again, we're going to identify our slope. We're going to make it a fraction. It's 4 over 1. Do not include the x, okay? X is not part of slope. Write your slope directions. This could be up and right, or it could be down and left. Just pick one. And then our y-intercept, when they don't write it, that means it's 0, okay? That means the origin is the first point. So we come to the graph, and here is where our y-intercept is, right at the origin. Now we use our slope. We go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right 1. You could have gone down 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left. It's the same line. Connect your points. Your line will be much better than mine. Add your arrows. That is it. Practice problem 5. Practice problem 5, same steps, except something's wrong with this equation. This is not slope-intercept form because of this right here. This 2 has to go. So before we can graph it, before we can find our slope and our y-intercept, we have to get the y by itself and divide everything by 2. So the real equation is y equals 2x minus 4. I just cut everything in half, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, I see that my slope is 2 over 1, which is telling me to go up and to the right, or down and left. And my y-intercept is negative 4. So I'm going to start with my y-intercept. I'm going to go to the y-axis and go straight down to 4, negative 4. Using my slope, I'm going to go up 1, 2, and to the right 1, and again 1, 2, 1, or you could have gone down 2 and left. Connect it, arrows, finished. Practice problem 6. Again, you have the graph, you have to find the equation, okay? So they all have the correct y-intercept, which is 0, so that doesn't help. I can't cross anything out. Looking at this line, I see this is a negative slope. It's going down and to the right. So this is a negative slope, so I can get rid of choices C and D. Oops, I did that backwards. I can get rid of choices A and B. Sorry. A and B say the slope is positive, but it's negative. So now I have to figure out, is it 2/3 or 3/2? So I have to remember which direction to go. So I'm going to pick this point, and I go down 1, 2, and to the right 1, 2, 3. Remember, it's rise over run. So the negative 2 is the numerator, and the 3 is the denominator. So answer choice C is correct. Now you're ready for your exit ticket. It's going to ask you to graph an equation. So you're going to tell me the slope, you're going to tell me the y-intercept, you're going to graph it. Then on the actual Google form, you're going to have to identify which graph is correct. So it should match yours. And that's it.